Welcome to News by EMAD channel. Let's get straight to the explanation.
In this video, I will guide you through easy and simple steps to fix the issue of your iPhone not charging. First step. Make sure that the charging cable and adapter you are using are both working properly. Carefully inspect the charging cable for any visible signs of damage, such as fraying or exposed wires, and check the adapter for any cracks or loose connections. If you are unsure whether the cable or adapter is the problem, try using another charger that you know works to see if your device charges correctly. This can help you determine if the issue is with your original charging equipment or with your device itself. Second step, gently clean the charging port using a small toothbrush or a wooden stick. To carefully remove any dust or debris from your device. Third step, now please restart the iPhone to continue the process. This is an iPhone 15 Plus smartphone, and you can use the physical power button together with the volume down button to perform certain actions. Fourth step, check for updates on your device to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. iOS system, or upgrade the iOS operating system. This often solves charging problems. Make sure that the latest version of iOS is properly installed on your device and does not need updating. Updates often solve charging problems. Fifth, check the battery health. Battery. The battery status is normal with maximum capacity. If that is the case, then the device should function properly and work well overall. Sixth, if your phone supports wireless charging, try it and make sure it works. If you tried these steps and the problem still exists, it is recommended to visit an authorized service center. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Thank you all.
Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive all the latest updates. Thank you all.